Well, after 30 minutes, your beef pilau is ready. Good morning, good day, and welcome to the industrial capital of Trinidad Tobago, San Fernando, the southern city. I am Val.
And I'm Eve, welcoming you to our kitchen today,
so that we may share with you our cooking experience. Beef curry pilau. Now, there was this long-standing argument between Guyana and Trinidad, is it curry beef or beef curry? I ain't getting involved in that. The reason I call it beef curry pilau is a pilau using curry beef as the basic stock to flavor it. I know about the history of pilau, have a long history. So, first thing is you get, local beef tends to be hard. So what I'm going to do is I've seasoned it using fresh seasoning, of course salt and fresh seasoning. I ain't using no powdered seasoning. Reason being that you want the seasoning in the water and the rice to marinate in the water and extract out, so it flavors the rice. So what I use here basically, we see here garlic and onion and green onion, pimento, seasoned pepper, and salt. That's it. And then I'm going to pressure this for about 15-20 minutes to soften it. Now if I'm rich, I am not rich, I'll buy some nice sirloin beef or expensive nice cuts of beef, and I'll simply put it on in process number 2. So this is a two-phase process. So let's start with this. It's already been seasoned, and we're going to pressure it, and after we pressure it, the process will continue. And the process continues. So we're going to cover the beef. So 1, 2, 3. When you have plenty of experience, you could tell I'm not going to say 3 tablespoons, but you know how much curry you're going to, which is this amount. And I soak onion in this for 2 hours. I like to work at a restaurant in Winnipeg called the House of India, and George taught me a secret, what he said was a secret. So when you put the onion in the curry in the water, it extracts more of the flavor of the curry. Well, I've been using it ever since, so I really ain't going to complain about it because it works, and if it works, you don't complain.
So is it the same exact process as currying beef regularly?
Yes, currying, but you're adding your pigeon peas and you're adding your whatever other taste. You could use lamb if you want, curry lamb. You could use curry pork if you want. You could do whatever meat. I don't find chicken tends to break up, so I wouldn't use chicken. But I mean, you could have chicken pilau, whatever you want. But the uniqueness of this is the curry beef. How the flavor comes out in the rice.
So you wouldn't alter the currying process?
No, I wouldn't. I follow the same process because if you look at the recipes of the Cajun cooking, for example, jambalaya, wild rice, Louisiana type, you see that it's a one pot. So you don't get too fancy with the sirloin. You use what come together on a Saturday morning. Oxtail soup, cow heel soup is all parts of the pig that nobody knows, premium parts, okay? So this is the process. Put your oil, okay? And then you will put your, flavor your oil as usual. So you can see, I have I'm organized this time, I have my green onion and garlic inside. What I do, I like to put my garlic in first. Some people use cardamom. Yeah, I am not very experienced with cardamom, so I will not take a chance. So you use the green onion, and of course I've leave the bun, but I have some sweet peppers there. Simple, you want to use this to flavor your curry, as you say. Right, I have my garlic here, a little bit of ginger, okay, and my onion. So I will start with using my garlic. This is hot enough. Yeah. And as you all know, I like garlic, so I will use lots of garlic. This is my chicken or curry beef.
So you just crush the garlic?
Crush the garlic, yes. Just open up a little bit. You don't want to. There you go. Don't be afraid to stir that much. It is not a big science, because a lot of people think that when you season, and I find Trinidadians tend to use the same seasoning over and over and over. Like I keep telling my wife, you're cooking rabbit, for example. You use rosemary. This is all you need. We have very strong spices. Cumin, ground jeera is very strong. rosemary very strong, so you don't know how your spices interplay before you put it in. And I have a bunch of spices, so this I didn't use any powdered garlic and powdered onion because I want more of the real thing to come out in the cook. The sizzle of the pot, it makes, and then I guess once you get the smell of the aroma of what's cooking here, you know how you're cooking with. So we are using about 2 big cups of rice. So and then I will add this in. That down. You want to put this pepper in, but you don't want to put the seed. And yeah, your pepper for your heat. Can't have your curry beef with a little heat. Yeah, I like to fry that pepper a little bit. If you hear us coughing loud, you know that we have good pepper. If we ain't coughing, we're gonna put more. Now I have scorpion pepper here, but my wife told me don't do that. Now this is your scorpion here. This is too much, so I gotta cut this out. That should be enough. Yeah, that should be flavor. Do not make joke with scorpion pepper if you are not a pepper eater. You can get it smell already. You can see there's something called translucent. The onion is translucent. Nice big too. That you can smell. Okay, and here we go. And that's called bunje. That's chunky. Bunje. And we're going to add these in, but we're going to flavor the curry with that and let that go down. Just dry and nice. Right? And we'll, of course, turn down the stove a bit so it will slowly extract rather than make it. You don't want to burn it to extract. So that will go down for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever. We're getting there, we're almost there. Alright, we ready? That's good. As you can see, low fire. And you see that's all that there, right? So when we add the water and the rice, all that will come up and we stir it around and you will see. Alright, so now we're going to put the beef in. If you want to put the lamb in, you want to put. Now you have to watch your water rice ratio. Say that because I want that to be critical to the success of your beef curry pilau. Okay, now the formula I use, and I've always used since my Edmonton, Winnipeg days, is 1 cup of rice, whatever cup you use. But to measure your rice with 2 cups of water or stock. So, there we go. I keep on scraping. Now, 1 cup of rice. And of course, it'll be 4 cups of water, of which we will use the stock. One. we have to put 4. So I need 2 more. 4. That's the recipe for water to rice ratio. Your pilau wouldn't come out too sappy. Now look, pigeon peas, you have to add pigeon peas to this. And look at that. See, that is the water, stock and beef and curry all mixed in there. Bring that to a boil. I'm going to add pigeon peas. You know, we like the pigeon peas. I'm using 2 of it. And as a nice little thick, I put my pumpkin. I call my daughter Pumpkin is a nickname. Surprise me from the kitchen. Right. And now I will taste for salt. Yeah, man. You know what your salt these days. People are very particular with salt. Just a little bit. But you have to be careful how much you use. There you go. And seasoning pepper or pimento. And I must put my sweet pepper, what they call bell peppers. Okay. There we go. All the ingredients are in. One final stir. It must come to it must start turn up the heat. Bubble. So you see it's starting to boil, bubble. Turn around. To me that's good enough. Then you cover it and you turn it down. On low. I would say about half an hour. There you go. I would say about half an hour. After 30 minutes, your beef pilau is ready. As you can see, sweet pepper, beef, and your check taste your beef. Show it has a hot food. Now, some people like the bun. See there at the bottom? There's some people who rush for that. So now, you serve this with avocado, sabuca, whatever you all want to call it. And this will feed about, I would say about 6 grown adults, 8 grown adults. And that is your beef curry pilau. Good to see out of the blue boys, Shrimp Camp and barbecue. There you go.